Halloween is almost here, and it's so nice to be able to wear Halloween themed things with cats and skulls. It's also nice to have a pair of earrings that is for Halloween, but also all year round. So this is an earring made with briolette shungites. It is so amazingly light and shiny and special. I've never had shungite in a briolette form before. We had to buy a whole necklace and we broke it apart and made pairs so that you could wear shungite too. Then we put some paparazzi sapphires, which is a lotus colored sapphire. They are very tiny, like 3 to 4 millimeter faceted rondelles, and those are paired with the shungite. You can wear sapphires year round. So even though it does have a bit of the Halloween theme colors in there, the black and the peachy orange, we thought it was sophisticated enough to wear with any other outfit. Nancy liked it. She's like, ooh. So I have to say thank you, Nancy, for helping me come up with that idea of using those two together. The techniques I used were briolette wrap and basic wire wrap, and we have both of them on YouTube, so please check it out and learn how to do it. If you have any questions, you can always message us. Now, while making these earrings, you shall soon see that I made a mistake. I forgot to add the wire wrap section I just did to the shungite. So pretty soon you will see what to do when you do make a mistake like that. What did I do? I looked at it. And then I realized I would have to rewrap and add it in again. So that's a Halloween spooky surprise for you, is how to fix it when you forget to connect your pieces. And what do people do? You just do it again. But having the skills to wire wrap is awesome. We know you'll love it if you haven't tried it yet. So pick up some tools, grab some wire, and start wrapping. I've been doing it for 30 years, and I can guarantee that making stuff, making jewelry, being creative will change your life. Happy Halloween!